The real Volvo A40G is an articulated dump truck that, when fully loaded, can carry up to about 40 tons of material. Motorart's 150th scale model edition of the A40G is a solid attempt and really is a much improved effort over the EC220D excavator made by Motorart that was previously reviewed on this channel. Taking a look at the dump truck, the A40G is also offered as the A40F, the only difference being the graphics on the side, but in terms of functionality and the aesthetic looks, literally nothing is different on the two. The orange grab rails really add some nice detail, as well as an orange beacon light. The mirrors are metal, and they have silver surfaces, as you can clearly see there. And as with most Volvo models made by Motorart, it does have an opening hood. However, as you can just see there, it will not stay in the open position by itself, so you kind of have to cheat a little bit. Although a skilled collector can probably figure out a way to, if you do want to pose it this way, to make it stay open. As you would expect any dump truck model to do, this one does have a good range of motion in terms of the dumping height and angle. Although perhaps it could have been a little bit better, it's good enough. Finally, the warning decals, as well as lights on the back, do add some much-needed breath of fresh air and detail to an articulated dump truck model. In closing, if you can find the Volvo A40G or the Volvo A40F for a reasonable price, I would recommend picking one up. Although I would have to say that probably the Caterpillar as well as the T-Rex articulated dump truck models are a little bit better in terms of functionality and looks. Although, again, if you can find one cheap enough, I would recommend picking up Motorart's A40G in 1/50th scale.